What is up guys? Welcome to Crypto Maniac, and in today's video ay pag-uusapan natin ang Solve Protocol. This is a short video lang. Tuturuan ko lang kayo kung paano kayo makakapag farm ng XP para sa Solve Protocol airdrop. So ito yung documentation, and ilalagay ko din ang link nito sa ating description para iwas scam link. So make sure na follow nyo lang yung link na ilalagay ko. And ang sabi dito, Solve Protocol is a native yield platform powered by decentralized asset management, dedicated to tokenizing and aggregating high quality yields from across the industry. So it's backed by Binance Nomura Group. So usually kapag backed by Binance is maganda yung nagiging price during the TGE, so pag paglabas ng airdrop nila. So ito yung mga investors, Blockchain Capital, Fermion, Mirana, Binance Labs, and among other investors. So ito yung kanilang website, and kinonect ko na yung aking MetaMask under Arbitrum network kasi ito dito sa point system nila. So kapag nag stake ka ng Solve BTC, for each dollar it's 8 XP, and then sa trading naman for each dollar it's 2 XP. So referral may rebate ka na 10%. So basahin nyo na lang itong mga notes dito. And then ito rin yung aking invite link. So sabi dito magkakaroon na tayo ng 10% for each invite, 10% rebate for each invite. Tapos feel free to use my link guys kung if you want to help the channel. And bale, para magkaroon kayo ng Solve BTC, so first punta kayo dito. So ito yung page kung saan kayo mag-i-stake ng Solve BTC ninyo. And then click nyo lang itong Arbitrum. And then sabi dito, ito yung aking position. So it's 0.000144. So pag pumunta tayo sa CoinGecko and check natin yung Solve BTC, yan ang value niya. So 547 pesos. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, kailangan natin gamitin itong Uniswap to swap our fund under Arbitrum. So under Arbitrum, isa-swap natin yung fund natin to get WBTC. Okay, so meron akong so meron tayong $50 na isa-swap natin for WBTC. So kinonect ko lang yung MetaMask ko dito, and then click mo lang yung swap. Excuse me. Okay, and then approve and swap. So kailangan natin itong sign sa ating MetaMask. Confirm mo lang yan. And then another pop-up, confirm mo pa din. And okay na. Ito siya. So i-refresh ko lang to kasi dito tayo mag-i-stake ng ating WBTC. And click mo lang yung max. So double check natin yung value nito. Kasi BTC lang din naman to. So yung $50, yung $49 natin is 26 pesos. So balik tayo dito, and then approve natin. And then ganun ulit, i-confirm mo lang yan, click mo lang yung max, next, tapos approve, and then click mo na yung stake. So twice nyo siyang i-click kasi from WBTC to Solve BTC lang yung first transaction, and then i-stake na natin siya once naging Solve BTC na siya. Okay, so kapag ni-refresh natin to, kailangan yan, so nag-update na siya to 0.00832, and then if i-check natin, that's 3,163 pesos. And Yan na. So, my activity, meron tayong 2 activities kasi naglagay ako kanina ng, yun nga, ng $10 and itong second transaction para magawa ko tong video is itong 49 WBTC. So, update ko kayo tomorrow guys kasi sabi, $1 is 8 XP. So, daily yan. So, I'm not sure kung anong specific time ito magre-refresh. But I should see an update on XP dito tomorrow. So, iiwanan ko yung link, yung referral link ko guys dito sa baba. And join kayo if you have extra. I think $10 will do kasi matagal pa naman yung TGE nito. So, farm lang natin yung points. And then, this is not financial advice. Nakalimutan ko sabihin. So, manage your risk. Yung kaya nyo lang na fund ang ilagay nyo dito. Huwag ilalagay yung kabuhayan ninyo dito. So, that's it. If you have question, let me know sa comment section and I'll be happy to respond to your queries. Thank you and have a good day.